Good morning, sleepy queens. Still in bed? Perfect, because today we're doing the lazy girl morning workout. Right here, under the covers. No gym, no equipment, no judgment. Just you, your bed, and a sprinkle of motivation. Ready? Let's move that gorgeous body. 1. The big bed stretch. 1 minute. All right, still lying down, snooze the alarm clock for 3 times. Dreaming eyes open for workout. Inhale deep and exhale and relax. Feel that? That's your body saying thank you for not hitting snooze again. Come on, do it with me. 1 more time. Biggest stretch of your life. 2. Seated torso twists. 1 minute. Okay, try to sit up. We're actually doing it on bed. Hands on knees. Twist gently to the right. Hold for 5. Now twist to the left. Breathe through it. This wakes up your spine and melts that morning stiffness. Pretend you're looking over your shoulder for who finished your snacks last night. 3. Cat-cow stretch. 1 minute. Onto hands and knees. We're doing the cat-cow stretch on bed. Inhale, arch your back. That's the cow. Exhale, round your spine. That's the cat. Smooth, gentle, don't rush it. Tag your lazy bestie who would only do yoga if it's on a mattress. Like, subscribe, stay lazy, stay beautiful. 4. Lazy glute bridge. 1.5 minutes. Lie back down on bed. This one tones the booty while you're basically still napping. Feet flat, knees bent, lift your hips up, squeeze your glutes, and slowly lower down. We'll do 15 together. Let's go. Up, squeeze, and down. Up, squeeze, and down. That's 3. Keep going. Eyes closed if you want. This is the comfiest workout ever. 5. Side lying leg lifts. 2 minutes. Still lying down on bed? Roll to your side. Lift your top leg up and down. Slow and steady. Feel that burn? That's your body waking up in the laziest way possible. Flip to the other side. Yes, we're doing both. Loosen that sleepy spine. Keep it going. 6. Arm circles. 1 minute. Now sit up on bed. Stretch your arms out wide. Tiny circles forward for 30 seconds. Now backward for 30 seconds. Feel your shoulders warming up. You're literally 1 step away from being fully awake. Comment below. Are you still in bed, or did you make it up with me?